everyone, today we will gonna have a battle of crypto or a Bitcoin in stock battle gaming application. So it is a battle through online which you can have their prices between or how much you are selecting to have your battle fee or entry fee. So here they will ask you how much is the entry fee you want to buy their crypto or their Bitcoin. So the prices is also indicated here. For example, you just only want to have an entry fee of $0.6, their prices or their price will be only $1. So if you have a big amount of entry fee, for example is the $12, they will having or they will give you a prices of $19. So that means if you are going to entry $12 entry, $7 will be the prices that credited into your account. So as of now, you can see in my screen I have $22. So I will have my entry fee $12. Select the $12 and here they will there is a possible opponents, which country they from, who they are, or you can choose here and you just accept and start. So here you just need to, because the battle will begin at 12:10 to 12 p.m. so we will be select our crypto. Okay, so I think it's all right, and you just need to save it. So our battle the contest will start at within 15 seconds. So here you have post my contest. My battle will begin at 2:10 seconds and we have 5 minutes. So I don't know if our battle is, so we can check it first. Here I am battling. Yes. Oh, have my battled against him previous minutes a while ago. So I think he's been an expert in selecting crypto or a Bitcoin. He's quite an expert. So in my balance I have only $10 now because I battled almost $12 from my entry fee. So we have a $19 of price and we will see who will be the win in the next 5 minutes.